welcome back to my channel. So today what I have for you guys is actually going to be a review and first impression video on the new Rimmel Stay Matte Mattifying Loose Powder. Such a long name. But this is how it looks like. It comes in this purple little container. I was just browsing, just browsing I say. Just browsing through Walmart and I saw it there and they had like 4 to 5 different new products, but this was the only thing that I actually wanted to try for you guys. They did have a concealer, but they didn't have my shade. I feel like Rimmel foundations and concealers don't have my shade. Like, I don't understand why. But I wanted to review this powder for you guys. So if you are not part of the Pineapple Squad, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, if you want to know more about this powder, then please keep on watching. I already applied my foundation, my eyebrows, and everything. All I haven't applied is my concealer and the powders. And this is how it looks like right here. And I will zoom you guys in a little bit more. And it just comes like this in this very nice compact. Hopefully it's not messy because I love my, I'll have it right here. My, this one, what is the Cody's Airspun one? I love this one, but every time I use it, I have to open it like on top of a napkin because it goes everywhere and it's super annoying. But yeah, this one hopefully is not like that, so I'll definitely let you guys know how it is. It doesn't look like it has a lot of powder, to be honest. It has like a little bit, but who runs out of aesthetic powder, right? So I'm gonna go quickly and apply my concealer. I'm gonna use the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I've been using this one for like the past month and I really do like it. I don't think it's worth the money, to be honest. Well, it does increase, so I guess it is worth the money, but I don't know. I don't think a concealer should be $30, so no. The only reason why I bought it is because it had a coupon. So obviously, if you have the money, yes, it's worth it. I have to be honest. But would I repurchase it again? I want to see how many of you I have on Snapchat, because I'm getting so many new Snapchat followers. And a lot of people have been commenting like Pineapple Squad and some things that I put. So I want to see how many of you I have on Snapchat. So if you follow me there, put down below you're coming from Snapchat and I'll give you a shout out. So I'm going to be on the watch for that. Alright, so I already put my concealer on. You guys saw it blended out so quickly. It covered everything. I don't even need to go with the corrector, which is like amazing. But alright, so I'm just going to open it. Okay, oh, cute. Oh my god, I love purple. That's how it looks like. To be honest, we all know we don't really use this, so yeah. Alright, comes with a little thing in here. See that? Ooh, okay. So I'm gonna close it. And I'm gonna give it a little shake. And then, okay. So this is how it looks like. So in one eye I'm gonna bake, and then the other eye I'm not gonna bake because I want to see how it works for both. And I don't know if you guys bake, so let me know down below. Do you bake or do you not bake? I bake sometimes. Sometimes with some concealers I feel like you need to bake, with some you don't. So I don't know. I guess it's just preference. So I'm just gonna take some of my beauty blender, and it is damped. And with this one I'm going to bake. Oh, it looks very, very like finely milled, like is that what it's called? Alright, so I'm gonna bake with that one, and then with this one I'm just gonna, okay. Looks nice. It didn't change the color of my concealer or my foundation, so it's good. Oh, it was nice. Okay. Let's see. It didn't brighten my under eye, but hey, it set it really nicely. So I like it. It looks good so far. Alright, so we're just gonna let that bake for 2 minutes and then I'll be right back. Okay, so it's been like 2 minutes or 3. So I'm just gonna dust this off my face. Alright, let's see which one it looks better. I feel like the one where I baked looks better, to be honest. I think like the one where it baked looks better. I don't know. This powder, it doesn't even give you coverage. I know that powders like this aren't even supposed to give you coverage, but I feel like this one, my Coty Airspun one, gives me a little coverage and it brightens my under eyes. And this one is just like legit translucent. I don't know if you guys like legit translucent or translucent, but it brightens your under eye. I don't know what you guys like, but I don't hate it. It looks really good in my skin, to be honest. But I don't know. I'm gonna take a picture with flash and see if it has any flashback. Alright, so it doesn't have flashback and it looks good on the picture. So I guess that's good. It doesn't have any flashback or anything, but alright. So I am gonna wear this powder the rest of the night and then I will let you guys know how I like it. So yeah. Guys, so this is the review that I had for you guys, and I'm gonna let you guys know throughout the day about the powder and how I like it, and if it like creases on my skin or anything. I'm gonna wear it for like 3 more hours, so definitely keep you guys updated, and if my phone doesn't die, I'll record how my eye looks and I'll put it in the video, but if not, then I will leave it down below in the description box like I always do. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I literally forgot to finish my eye makeup. Like, alright, let me finish it real quick. I'll be back. Okay, so now that I finished my face, because I almost forgot, and down below if you guys like videos like this, or if there's any other product out there that you guys really want me to review for you. And thank you guys so much for watching this video, and God bless you. So I will see you guys very soon in my next one. Bye guys.